Yo, what is up YouTube? It is your boy Dontimtv. You know what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna be reviewing this content called Iwowrich. Right, I actually did some video some weeks ago about this platform. Now there is a quick development that I just noticed. I noticed that a whole lot of people have been finding it difficult to withdraw and also register and receive OTP. Some people complained about their money being withdrawn from their accounts without their consent, and when they got to the bank told them that it was because of the OTP they received from this platform. Alright, so from my own angle of observation, I've actually tried withdrawing from this platform. If you check my balance, I have 8,537 naira 2 kobo. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my withdrawal records. Over time now, I've been trying to withdraw from my wallet, but to no avail. So this is actually my withdrawal record. Okay, let me scroll down below, right, from where the issue started. If you check here, on December 8th I made a withdrawal. On December 8th I applied for withdrawal of 6,800, which failed. Alright, then fast forward to 9th, I made a withdrawal, or I applied for withdrawal of 7,000. It also failed. Alright, same day I applied for withdrawal of 7,000. It failed as well. So fast forward to December 14, I made a withdrawal of 8,310 naira. It failed. Alright, I also applied for withdrawal on 17 December, which is 8,537.2. Everything failed. What happened was that I tried contacting the admin of this platform. I mean, the very first person that referred this platform for me, which is the owner of the platform. If you want to contact him, this is his WhatsApp. Alright, he paid me for the paid promotion I did earlier on. Right, this is actually a quick disclaimer that I don't have anything to do with the platform. It's actually a paid review video. Right, so everything has failed. I mean, all the withdrawal requests I applied for, all of them failed. I contacted him, he didn't give me any tangible reply. Alright, he didn't give me any tangible reply. So the reason why I'm doing this video is this: please, if you want to discontinue using this platform, it would be advised, because for now I haven't seen any good development about this platform. I mean, for some time now they seem to be running alright. When you try to log into the platform, they will tell you that everything is in control, and in the WhatsApp group they don't give you opportunity to contribute or air your view. So I think this is a hidden scam. So please, nobody should register for this Iwowrich, alright, unless proven otherwise in the nearest future. But for now, please discontinue registration on this Iwowrich platform. This is a hidden scam. Alright, if you register with your card and receive OTP, I think you're granting them access to your bank account. Alright, so please, everybody should discontinue this platform, please, for your own safety, and the safety of your account. Please, nobody should use Iwowrich. Alright, please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. What I do on this channel is I teach people how to make money, and I also make 100% of my money online. So what I do on this channel is I try to make a documentary video how I earn my money online. So please, if you want to be part of my videos, or if you want to be part of the family, please hit that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv, and please like my video and drop a comment down below. And if you don't like my video, try and drop the dislike button and go to the comment section and tell me why you don't like my video. But please, for your own safety, for now, I always do an update video about this platform. I mean, if it is proven otherwise, but for now, nobody should register for Iwowrich. Alright, some people might be like, you didn't verify this platform before you did the review video. I actually did. I verified. They paid out the first, the second, they paid out. So even other people that registered on this platform paid out. As you all know, some platform fails after some time. Maybe when you give them the trust, they start failing. So that's exactly what is happening on this platform. Everybody trusted them, including me, and they seem to be legit. So I started the deal and placed my advert. Alright, but now it seems they are trying to, you know, play smart or whatsoever. So please, with that being said, remember this is my channel. Go ahead and click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. These are the kind of content I pull up on this channel. I believe it's going to be helpful for you. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure you follow me on Instagram, and please remember to stay safe and stay cool. With that, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.